Hey, today we're going to go to Subway. We're going to get that new series sandwich number 99 called Grand Slam Ham. Doesn't that sound good? All right, we got our sandwich. Look at here, Subway. It's in a paper bag now instead of the plastic bags like they usually have. Of course, that may just be my restaurant. Look at this. Let's see. We got this with, it comes with ham, cheese, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and I got mine on that Italian urban cheese bread. I'm a big fan of that Italian urban cheese, okay? Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Does that look good? Yes, it does, doesn't it? Wow. Napkins, they know I need these. This does look good. Now, I added ranch dressing. Of course, if y'all seen any of my videos, you know I like ranch dressing, okay? Let's fold this up just in case it drips. Like that, okay. That ranch dressing does get kind of drippy, so look at that. Ham and cheese, tomatoes, lettuce. Does look good. Now, if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below. We'll see if we'll get it up here for you, okay? Go check out our playlist. We got a lot of these up there, okay? I think it's time for a bite. Have a little trouble with that tomato. That is good. Now you can add or subtract anything, veggies or more ham, or change the kind of cheese or the kind of bread. It comes, I think, with some Italian bread, but I kind of like the Italian urban cheese. That is good. Comes with mayonnaise too, by the way. Did I say that? Now, I didn't get a drink. I brought my own Dr. Pepper. You order through the app. My app doesn't show Dr. Pepper. You can just order a fountain drink. When you get in there, you put whatever you want to in the cup, and they have Dr. Pepper. Yep. They've seen me eat. They know I need these napkins. I think they said this was Black Forest ham, which is very good ham. Look at that. Okay, rating. Let's see. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being, throw it out, it ain't worth eating. Number 5 being, whoa. I give this a 4. I like this. This is very good. Onions sticking out there. How'd you get that? I like onions. If you don't like onions, remember you can leave them off. Just hit the onion, and then you have more, less, none. Well, takes them off that way, okay. Have you tried this yet? It says on the app it's new, number 99. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried it. If you haven't tried it, are you going to try it? If you have tried it, what you think about it. Now remember, the rating is strictly my opinion. You may differ. You may like it more. You may like it less. Strictly up to you, okay? All right, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. Got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist under Subway. Now we have another one called Taste Test. Everything is in there. But if you get in there, you'll find that Subway has its own playlist. Sonic has its own, like that. Everybody has their own. So go check them out, okay? See you next time. I'm not through though. I still got sandwich to go. I am a big fan of ranch dressing too, by the way. In case y'all don't know that. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll know. See the cheese cooked into the Italian urban cheese bread? Do you have a favorite sandwich at Subway? Leave me a comment. Maybe I haven't tried it yet, and we just might. Very good. Another bite? Yeah, buddy. Yes, that is very good. I'm impressed. See the ranch dressing out there? Beginning to run out. That's why I got it in the napkin, the wrapper here. One more bite, all right? Okay. Comment. I'm a big fan of comments. Even if you just want to say, hello, that's fine. I'll answer you. And would you have changed anything on this sandwich? Maybe you don't like onions. Maybe you want spinach on it or something. It's all there. All you got to do is add it. Kind of hard to eat these messy sandwiches with a mustache. Okay, well, no, you don't want to sit here and watch me eat my lunch, okay? So we're going to say, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Check the playlist. Subway. Taste Test. Okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. How would you have changed it? Do you agree with my rating? You like it better? You like it less? It's up to you. Okay? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.